Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this glow plug here. So if you're going to get this glow plug and it takes a long time for the car to start, or even the engine management light, then and if you're getting this P067200, I'm going to show you where to find it. This is the 2-litre diesel Audi Q5 2012. What we would say, take this engine cover off. It's a bit of a nightmare. This is where your glow plugs are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the one at the back. 1 is this one here. As far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong. But it's really easy. Buy an OEM, probably 30, 40 quid for the whole lot. Not even that, maybe. Make sure it's genuine and not aftermarket. Once you have got that, guys, it's literally as easy as this. Look, it just pops out with your hands. Replace them. Pop the new ones in and it'll just be a full scan and clear, and that should hopefully eliminate the fault code on the screen, and sometimes you won't even need it, guys. But there you are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.